omukoro ogugubira hal State House omuri Entebbe aho President Museveni na Minister w'emizano Janet Museveni babire nibatabarisya timu ya Uganda Cranes okukora kurungi omu mpaka za CHAN ezihereze kuhwa. President ashoborire aha nshonga nyingi kandi ayerekere ku sente biliyoni 2 na miliyoni 800 eziyaraganisa abazaani kutunga buri muzaano gubarasinga omu mpaka za CHAN okuzahereze kuhika aha account z'abazaani kandi buri omwe naija kuba natunga miliyoni 6. Uganda omu mpaka ezi ekasinga emizaano ebiri ahu yasingire Guinea na goori 3 harusha hamwe na Niger yasingire na goori 2 harusha okubahwera kutunga sente ezi.
There was another game later where I think it was South Africa, where God had to come from heaven and rescue directly. Because when I watched initially, you were like, I think you had scored first. I think Uganda had scored first or something like that against South Africa. Then, of course, me, I don't have time to watch the whole thing. I went to do something else. When I came back, they said, what has happened? No, you had considered a goal, I think. Then when I was watching, your defense was nowhere to be seen. Then the goalkeeper, do you remember that goalkeeper when he ran? That goalkeeper of yours had to go from his area. He actually got to the ball. He got to the ball slightly before the opponent, but he couldn't. I think the rules don't allow you to hold the ball unless you are in your area of responsibility. So he tried now to dodge the other player now who outsmarted him, and then he scored. The goal was empty. The goal was empty. I don't know what had happened. What had happened to the what had happened to the fullback?
Timu ejetakagire mu State House abazaani bagireho n'omwishengyero ry'ihanga aho abanyishengyero bahingwiza okusima timu egi. Uganda Cranes ekashohora empaka za CHAN aha rurengo rwa quarter final obwanyuma y'okusingwa Senegal na goal 1 harusha.